Hi, this is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. First of all, happy Halloween. I want to thank you guys for being here with me on my YouTube journey and through all my fun Halloween crafting. And now we're getting into the holidays, and I have a little sneak peek for you. Just some things I've been collecting. I was in Hobby Lobby the other day, and I don't know what to make of this. What do you all think of this Christmas, Easter? I don't get it. No. Anyway, let me know what y'all think of that, because that is not my jam. No, thank you. That's more like it. So I have a little witch hat there. I have some poinsettias I've been painting black. Yeah, I'm going to be having some fun. I'm going to have some. There's a witch's hat I got thrifting. I got two like that. I'm going to be doing some funny, like hilariously macabre crafts. Here's a little taste of what I've been playing around with. Those little Santa coats were ornaments at Dollar General. I thought, oh my god, that should fit my skeletons. So I changed out the little belt for some bat ribbon. And these were some ornaments from Dollar General from last year. They do have them this year. I saw some in my store anyway. And I painted them black and added some silver glitter. So we're going to be doing some beautiful, moody Christmas as well as some funny and creepy Christmas. Here's some Dollar Tree poinsettias that I put some black flocking on. I got different colors of flocking. We're going to be doing some ornaments. There's some butterflies and some ornaments. The butterflies were from Michael's after Halloween, 60% off, and those ornaments were Hobby Lobby, so is this velvet ribbon. Everything's 50% off, including all that Easter gingerbread, whatever. I was kind of walking in there like, looks like someone threw up cotton candy in the Christmas aisle over here. Those are some Dollar Tree decor that I dry brushed some black on for another project, never used it. Some gold poinsettias from Dollar Tree. That was from last year's stash, I believe. Now I've got this metal deer I got from Dollar General last year. It's been sitting here I never did anything with. I've got plans for him. The little crystal ones came from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got some from Dollar General. These are some ornaments. Now these are some red flocked reindeer ornaments. They're very cute. We'll be doing something with all these reindeer, but we're not going to have them merry and bright necessarily. You know how it is. But yeah, that metal deer, I'm going to do him up dark and moody. Now this is some thrifted candlesticks that I had painted and hadn't quite figured out what to do with them yet. I was going to do Halloween with them, hence the skeleton hand, but I think we're going to transition that to a Christmas. This little sled came from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. It was only like $3 or so to begin with. So I paid less than $2 for the little sled. That is these are from Michael's. The 60% off Halloween. Got some black roses. And they only had one left of that black butterfly pick, or I'd have gotten a couple more. Got some pine cones. Little thrifted grapevine. I've got all kinds of skulls. And I got this ornament here, and I thought Christmas spiders. Why not? This is all Dollar Tree. These ornaments I thought could certainly be transitioned to Gothic very easily. Those little trees, we'll just have to change them from white to black or something. Couple of bottles I got thrifting. And these little skeleton hands I got from Dollar Tree, and they're just the perfect size to hold an ornament. I got two of them. We'll see what we do with that. And now I have just a quick little teaser, these next two clips of what's in store for you. On Tuesday, we're going to do a hilariously macabre, maybe Grinchy kind of thing. You'll have to tune in to see. Don't forget to like and share and all the things. Have a wonderful Halloween. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.